Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Day, and today we're going to be doing a crochet tutorial. I received some hair from Janet Collection. I'm going to show you guys. It's some like dreadlocks hair, some faux locks hair. This is what it looks like. It's super like kinky, like super kinky, very like Marley-esque. It does have a very natural finish. Like, you know, most crochet faux locks hair, they normally have that like really ugly shininess to it, but with this hair it has a very matte and very natural finish, so that's why I love it and I can't wait to try it. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Before we get into this tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in a few. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to try this. So right now I have my hair braided in cornrows, and I wanted the braids to be very thick. I'm like looking in my mirrors, but I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total of 9 braids. I have a very small head, so I didn't really want this hair to be too full on me, so I did very big braids because this hair is thicker and I could tell it could easily build some volume. So I didn't want it to be too full so it doesn't, you know, it doesn't start looking crochet-ish, you know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some accessories to my hair, and I picked up a couple from my local beauty supply store. Now this is just a regular like string, not a string but like a metal like coily accessories, and you just kind of pull it, stretch it to like give it that spiral effect. I always install them using my crochet latch hook. It's just easier to just do the crochet method to install the accessories. So yeah, just look at your local beauty supply store and see if you can find them, and I'll try and look online to find links for you guys. And I got some strings as well that I wanted to play with. Now I just really tried to have fun with accessorizing this hair, so I just played with different colors and different hair braiding accessories. So if you don't like a lot of stuff on your hair, you can obviously skip this part, but I think it kind of gave the hairstyle a bit of an edge. So yeah, I hope you guys do like it, and I hope you give it a try if you're not used to it. It's fun, it's cute, and it just gives your hairstyle like a little oomph, you know, just elevates it a little bit. So don't forget to lay down your edges. I'm going to be using my Got2b glue to lay them down because right now it is a hell no. But yeah, just take a little brush and slick those baby hairs down, and that's about it, and you're pretty much set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle, and thank you guys so much for watching. And if you continue to come back every time, I love you guys so much. You guys know that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I'll catch you guys next week with another tutorial. Bye guys.